Dun, 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 dun. Happy Black Friday, everyone. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving, happy holiday season. Very quickly, guys, I just wanted to make this video to let all of you know that I will be running a special on my personal site where I sell the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. I offer it both branded and unbranded. Both of them are the 2.0, the latest version. Now, I also offer other items on there. I offer some microfiber towels, drying towels, minor accessories, some chemicals, all that kind of good stuff. And just for today only, I'm not gonna be running anything into Cyber Monday. I'm just gonna be running it today only. We're going to be doing 20% off when you use code Black Friday 2022. Now, with that said, guys, the #1 selling product on my site is the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. People love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's the best value pressure washing foam cannon that you can get. It gets more foam than any of the others. Well, the same amount of foam as the MTM and the Griot's Boss, but it's cheaper. A fantastic little foam cannon. You can change the spray pattern from shooting horizontally to vertically, or vertically to horizontally. Fantastic unit. I also offer Kokemi products on my site. I've been really, now GSF is the Gentle Snow Foam is probably their most popular soap. I really like that. It's just a fantastic soap, foams really well, has high lubrication so you're not worrying about marring the paint while you're washing them and doing your contact wash. Fantastic soap. I also just have been playing with this more recently, but their Nano Magic soap has some protection in it, and crazy lubrication on this product, guys. I really like it. It's super slick, leaves the paint with a little bit of protection on it. I really like that soap as well. And then you also get into your super foams and active foams. Now, these relatively are going to be a 9.5 pH and a 12.5 pH. So these are fantastic pre-washes. They don't have, in my experience, the 12.5 pH soap, fantastic for pre-washes, right? If you want to just foam it up, let it dwell, rinse it off, fantastic, does a really good job there. Not as much lubrication in that product compared to their Gentle Snow Foam or the Nano Magic soap, for sure. So really what I like to use those higher pH soaps for is really if the vehicle's dirty, foam it on there, let it dwell, let it do its thing, really break down all the dirt and contamination on it, rinse it off. And then what I typically do was then I'll go over to the Nano Magic soap, foam that on, going for a contact wash, and it leaves everything nice and protected and super slick and good to go. So I love that product so much. Now, some other products that I absolutely love from Kokemi are Polestar or Green Star. Both cleaners. The Polestar is a little bit less aggressive versus the Green Star you can get a little more aggressive with for deeper cleaning. But for your leather conditioning and all that kind of stuff, I always combine Polestar and then I follow it up with Leather Star. Fantastic combo. I love it. I use it on my Porsche all the time. I'd say it's probably my favorite combo now. Other stuff works fantastic as well. It's just this has been my go-to lately. This is what I'm using constantly. I really like these products. So again, they have a bunch of other stuff. Just go ahead, get on the site, check everything out. One thing I will note is the little measuring cups. Guys, these are awesome for measuring out your soaps before you pour it into your foam cannon. So you get a nice precise measurement. They screw right onto a normal like 32-ounce bottle. Makes it really easy for you to work out the correct dilution ratio. So check those out as well. 20% off across the site, Black Friday 2022. I really hope that helps you guys. I know the economy is getting a little bit weird right now, but we want to keep our cars clean. That's another reason I started this channel, was to really help people either start their own business, or for people that can't afford to hire a detailer, this hopefully gives you guys the confidence to be able to go out and detail your cars properly, get the best result you can without having to pay someone else to do it. So that's it, guys. I hope that video helps. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and please, everyone, enjoy the holiday weekend and stay safe out there. We'll see you guys on the next one.